Hello, this is my 77 Chevy, half-ton, two-wheel drive. It's got a Chevy 350 small block in it with aluminum heads, and before I got the exhaust all done, I looked all over YouTube, couldn't find any Chevys where people would show how they did their exhaust, and it was pretty frustrating, but I decided to take a video of my exhaust after I figured it all out, and that way you can, whoever's got something like this can see it all in action. So I got full headers going to stainless Pipes Performance exhaust with an X pipe all clamped straight back to Super 44s stainless by Flowmaster, and then it's dumped just over the rear axle on both sides. I don't like to show off that I got 2.5 or stainless, so keep it hidden as I can. Just give you a view from the back. So just dumps, and see it back through there. I'll show you the headers. The Pipes Performance stainless kit, it's about $300. Definitely better than the Hooker kit. So they fit right in good. Definitely use Loctite though. You can see them going down to the clamps down there. So yeah, that's my exhaust, that's my Chevy. Good luck with yours.